Many unbearable hours later.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let me take this off. Let me actually take this off. I'm wearing this because I haven't been sleeping properly. Hence the title of this video, Trading When Depressed. Guys, like, this conversation needs to be conversed because I've been depressed now for a while. Like, let me say like 3 months. No, more than 3 months, but like some months now I have been depressed. Aside from trading is actually like the crown, is crowning everything. Or you just it feels like your life is like, you don't know, you know you're moving, but you don't feel like you're moving. You get like January, February this year, my trading now compared to January, February, there's a huge difference. Like, there's a huge difference. Like, I'm I'm, I'm actually growing faster than I thought I would grow. Like, I can actually proudly say that I've come to the point where, like, I know what I'm doing when it comes to trading. But then again, like, why does it feel like everything is not really happening as fast as I would want it to? I don't know. Like, it's just very frustrating. And I know that I'm not the only one that is feeling this way. I know I'm not alone. I know there are some traders like myself that are exactly at the same, like, we're wearing the same shoe. We know where it hurts. We know how tight that shoe is. Like, it just feels like I'm suffocating sometimes. I don't sleep well. It affects my mental health to an extent. You know, I sleep around like 5 7 a.m. and that's just crazy. And then I'm supposed to, like, I normally trade by 8 a.m. I'm supposed to be awake by 8 a.m. So most times I'm sleeping when I'm supposed to be awake. And most of you that have actually been watching my videos from way back, like a few months ago, you see that I have like a morning routine where I trade. I wake up every 5 a.m. I take a run. I run inside my estate. I do that to actually wake me up, for me to actually be prepared for the day. Because if you're coming into trading, you cannot come into trading the same way you were before you came, and you can't just remain the same. You can't just remain the same. Trading is going to, you're going to be forced to reform yourself. So basically, that's why I started waking up by 5 a.m. because I needed that discipline. Because if you are indisciplined as a person outside of the chat, you cannot be disciplined in the chat. Like, this one is not even the one that they're even saying, where you're seeing it online, they are quoting. It's not a quote, this is like facts. Like, I have witnessed it. You can never be disciplined outside of the chat. If in your daily life you're supposed to go to the gym by 12 p.m. and you don't go, you end up going by whenever you want to go to. Trust me, when you come to the chat, mm, if you're supposed to wait for your setup to play, because you are indisciplined outside of the chat, and let me just enter, you just be entering trades. I'm saying that because, like, I'm talking from experience. I was doing that. I will not wait for my setup. I like doing things when I want to do them. So as a trader, I realized that you can't just be doing things when you want to do them. The market would literally force you to change. So that's one of the things. So how do you actually trade when you are depressed? I don't know. Like, recently, most times when I don't know, most of you see that recently my trade calls has been going very well. I'm not gonna call it a winning streak because I have losses too, but my wins now are much than how they were just 3 months ago. I dropped my trade calls at entry level, before and after, on my Telegram channel. The link is going to be in the description below. You can join. It's for free. Um, yeah, it's like, it's not a signal group, but most times when the spirit leads, I drop I drop signals. Yeah, but I don't drop. I'm not gonna be dropping signals just like that for free. So what I just do is I just drop my trade ideas. If you want to join me in the trade, you are free to join. Like, you apply your own proper risk management. I know a lot of people that take the trades that I drop and they actually come back to me and tell me, I followed you in this trade, the trade hits TP, and then most of them they send me screenshots of profits that they make. So yeah, it's not a signal group. Oh, if you guys want me to be dropping signals, maybe probably you guys can. If I have like at least 5 people that come to message me for signal, for like a 1 month signal group or something, then I'll probably create a separate signal group. How much would I even charge? $50. It's not much, because I actually know the quality of my trades are more than that $50. But for a start, $50 for a start. That's not why I'm not here to talk about money, guys. I'm not here to talk about money. I'm here to literally talk about my sadness as a trader. And I feel like every trader goes through this point where they just feel like nothing is working for them. There's growth, though, like it's obvious that there's a difference, but then again, you just kind of feel like it's not given.